Tech Online. Today I'm going to take you through how you count each word in a cell. So if we check here, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. And going forward, if you want to count words in a cell, how do you do that? It is going to be a combination of 3 formulas, which we have done once on our channel here. You can go ahead and preview the videos. I'll put the links of the videos in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube. So let's go ahead and go through on how you can count words in a cell. Now, how do you do this? First of all, we want to make sure that even if there is a double space, it doesn't count as a word. Remember, a double space counts as a word. So what do we do first is we use the trim function. So what the trim function helps us is it removes all the double spaces, the extra spaces, either at the end of the word or at the beginning of the word. So when you trim your text, this is how it will be. You'll not know whether it is trimmed, but the moment I put more extra spaces here, you'll see that at this point, this one shows without any extra space. So that is one thing. Then the next is we are going to split text. So we are going to join this with a function called text split. So text split, you can get this in Google Sheets and in the extended Excel versions, that is Excel 365. So when I split text, first of all, the syntax for splitting text is I'm splitting text of what I've already trimmed, then comma. What is the delimiter? My delimiter, I'm looking at a blank space, a single blank space. So I'll open quotes space, close the quotes, then close your brackets. There you go. So at the moment you'll see that you have split the text into six columns. But remember, we don't want it this way. So now we want to count these splitted texts. So how do you do that? You're going to use another function called count A. So count A, for it counts texts. So count only counts numbers, and count A counts texts. So I'll use count A, then open bracket and close it again. Go ahead and enter. It will tell me that I have 6 texts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So even if I removed this blank space or extra spaces or added them, they will not appear in my function because I used the trim function first. Then after that, I used the text function. So next, text split function. Then after that, I counted all my my texts. So I'll go ahead, drag this up to the bottom, or if you can't do that, select the cell, move at the extreme right bottom corner. Your cursor will change to black. We call that crosshair cursor. The moment you get that, you double click and there you go. You'll have counted all the text in your sheet. Even if you're running this data for 1 million rows, you'll have done all that. So sometimes we need this in analysis where you'll have to count like strings. So this is something you can use in a bigger data analysis, maybe a project you're doing, but otherwise that's how it is done. So guys, go ahead, leave us a comment, by the way, like our videos in case they are helpful to you, share to your friends, and make sure you subscribe such that next time you can get a notification on your phone.